Hello and welcome to Slow English Podcast. In this video, we want to learn how to introduce ourselves. Let's start. Today, I want to introduce myself. I'm Sahar. My first name is Sahar. And my last name is GZ. My full name is Sahar GZ. My nickname is Sisi. My friends call me Sisi. I'm 30 years old. I will be 31 years old next month. My birthday is next month. My birthday is March 27th. So I will be turning to 31 years old on 27th of March. Write in comments, when is your birthday? I'm from Iran. I was born in a beautiful city, Shiraz. My city is so wonderful. Tell me, where are you from? I will read all of the comments. I have a small family. I don't have any brothers or sisters. I'm an only child. I studied English translation at university for about 6 years. Then I started to teach English. After university, I started to work to make money. I worked as an English teacher. What is your job? Write for me. I teach English to kids and adults. I love my job. I like to talk with different people. My job is so interesting and fun. I'm married. I'm not single, and I don't have any children. I like to speak about my free time. In my free time, I listen to music and read books. I love shopping as well. But my favorite activity is going to the gym. So I go to the gym every day. Please take your time and write and answer my questions below and in comments. And ask any questions that you have. I promise I will answer them. In the next video, I'm going to speak about my daily routine and simple present grammar. Don't forget to watch that. See you there, and make sure to like my video. And if you like this podcast, please subscribe me. See you everyone. Goodbye.